Hi guys, in this video I want to bring your attention to these Samsung boards being sold on eBay. Now the part number of the genuine one is a BN44-00787A and it's for a 58-inch TV. Now the ones being sold on eBay are actually claimed to be a replacement part, a non-genuine or replacement part, and if you take a good look, I'll show you the genuine one, I'll show you the fake one. It's not actually anything like it. So if you move over to here first, that is the proper board, the BN44-00787A. Now if you look where the power connector is, it's there. On the board that's been sold as a replacement, which is actually not a replacement at all, it might work for 5 minutes and it's dangerous to use, the power connector has actually been removed from there, and they've stuck some double-sided tape over where the power connector was. And if you move to this side, the power connector has been glued on there with just some double-sided tape and hot melt glue. Now the boards have actually been relabeled with the right number, but if you look at the identification number there, the real identity of the board has actually been sanded off, which is what the Chinese are really good at, sanding things down. So this is the genuine real board. That's the fake one that won't pass any British safety standards. I'll turn them over. There you go, and as you can see, the supposedly replacement board is all bodged up with hot melt glue, bits of wire. There's more hot melt glue there. There's more numbers been rubbed off it. If you put them side by side like that, you'll actually notice that the screw holes don't even match up, so you're never going to be able to fit it into your telly safely anyway. And if we look at the specifications here, on the original board, the LED output's 312 volt at 410 milliamp. The supposedly replacement board only has an output of 195 volts at 450 milliamp. So the chances are this supposedly replacement board is actually from a smaller set, and it's just, well, actually it's just been bodged up. It's not a replacement at all, and it really wants reporting to Samsung. Right, so here we are. Here's the eBay listing. It clearly says non-original. What it doesn't say is it's all been bodged up with glue, and there's absolutely loads of these listed. If you take a look at it on eBay, you can actually see the double-sided tape there where the power connector used to be, and it's been glued on over that side, and presumably that is to make you think you're getting it from England when it's actually Chinese. So there you go guys, I just wanted you to be aware of this, that these boards selling on eBay are actually nothing at all like the proper one. It might last 5 minutes, that's if it comes on at all. You get a very dim picture, and if you bought one of these on eBay, my suggestion is just send it back and get your money back. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and we'll have some more videos shortly.